Hey guys, I'm filming this from the study because my husband is cooking in the kitchen and he's a bit noisy. However, I'm very excited to tell you about something. Today I'm gonna take you along to another haul with me. I just got 3 boxes worth of tea wares from T2. It is an Australian tea company, maybe the hippest in terms of marketing and branding, and they've got really nice tea wares. I'm gonna give those to my management team come Christmas, so of course I wouldn't be uploading this video before then. However, prior to me giving it to them, I'm gonna show it to you one by one. Let's go down to the nitty-gritty. I really want to show you the details because those are really pretty and I couldn't wait to share my excitement with you. Stay tuned and keep watching. So box number 1 of 3. Let's open. For this purchase, I got some freebies. So you get a note card, 1. The purchases comes in a gift bag, but because I will be giving these items individually, then I'm gonna rewrap them. You also get a free T2 Taste Traveler. So this is a selection of 12 different teas from around the world. Loose leaf as well. So here are the samples. I think the key is for the buyer to try these, and then if there's something that they like, then they can buy more of it. That's a very good marketing tool actually. I also got this for free. It's a loose leaf tea infuser. And it's very light, easy to wash. And so if you drink loose leaf tea, you could just bring this anywhere with you. Alright. So those are my freebies for this purchase. Next is, I think this is the Sari Tea for 1. So it has a tea kettle, a teacup, and a saucer. The kettle also comes with a loose leaf infuser. Sits like that. Very pretty. I got 2 of those, so I have another one here. I'm just gonna quickly unwrap. Next is, you have this cup and saucer for 1. It's smaller than the Sari one, but this is from the Sari range as well. Alright, so I'm planning to give these to one of my receptionists. I have 2. And then this one is for my clinical manager. And then this one is for my general services manager. Box number 2. Alright. So this is the orange version. So what I just showed you earlier, I bought an orange version of all those 3. So this is the cup and saucer version, Sari in orange. Look, I like the detailing. I think it's like Indian, hence it's called Sari, I suppose. This is for my other receptionist. I have two. And then this one is the Sari in orange. I'll show you the red so that we can compare. The Sari in red has a silver detailing, whilst the Sari in orange has a gold detailing. It is also not fully orange. It has like a pink kettle and a pink saucer. Yeah. So this is the red and this is the orange. The orange ones, this one I'm gonna give to a female friend. And then the other one is for one of my registered nurses. I really look forward to giving her something this Christmas because she has been very thoughtful with me. So that's for her. That is also $68. And then, yeah, I showed you this one already, also for $30. I have another cup and saucer in green. I still haven't made up my mind as to whom I'm gonna give that, but I have a couple of options. That is also from the Sari range, and this is the Aqua variant, also for $30. Look at the detail, guys. The next one I bought separately. However, I didn't realize that they came from the same range. So now it looks like a set. I don't know if I'm gonna give it apart or I'm gonna keep it as part of a set. We have an Eleganza teapot. Just gonna show it around so that you would understand the detailing. That's the detailing of that one, also with a gold handle. That one. It also comes with a strainer. It is the matching cup and saucer, which I, by the way, bought separately. However, I think I'm gonna keep them now together. I'm gonna give these to my HR director, who's a very big tea drinker. So for the still from the Eleganza range. Okay, so this is from the Eleganza range Cobalt, and this is from the Eleganza range Canary. $68 RRP, comes with its own infuser. I'm just gonna show it around so that you could see the detailing. The cup, yeah, and the saucer that comes with it. Eleganza range Canary. Eleganza range Cobalt. Sari range Aqua. Sari range Orange. Sari range Orange. Sari range Red. Infuser. And Sari range Red.